Hey, hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to convert humanoid animations to Warudo. That way you can be able to have expressive custom animations for your Warudo setup. Now, before we get started, I need to make sure this is elaborated, that you need to know how to set up the Warudo SDK. So if you don't know how to set up the Warudo SDK, please check out the tutorial in the description below if you are a beginner. Otherwise though, if you already know how to set up the Warudo SDK, you're good to go. I also emphasize humanoid because this tutorial is not going to be covering over ears, wings, tails, or anything like that. So do keep that in mind. That is non-humanoid animations, which I have another tutorial that goes over how to do that. So please check out that tutorial specifically in the description if you're looking for that tutorial. Otherwise though, we're going over humanoid, and I'll be using a Mixamo animation as you can see here for demonstration purposes. If by any chance you're making your animation completely from scratch and you do come through difficulties with it, then feel free to join the Warudo Discord server and we can gladly help you out with helping with your animation problems. But otherwise though, what you're going to do just to follow along with this tutorial, go to Mixamo, make an account with your Gmail, and you can be able to choose which animation you want to download just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you with the taunt animation here. I'm gonna click on download. You can leave the settings default, it's perfect, but otherwise you can change the settings if there's, if you do prefer 60 FPS or anything like that. So you can click on download and then, download the animation that you want. Otherwise though, what we are gonna do now is we're gonna go into Unity, as you can see here. And then we're going to make a new mod. So we're going to go into Warudo, new mod. I'm going to name this Mixamo Animation, as you can see. And then I'm going to create a mod, as you can see. So what I'm going to then do is I'm going to go to my File Explorer right here. And I'm going to click and drag the FBX from Mixamo, or if it's Blender, then you can do that. And then we have to make sure that the FBX file, the rig is set to humanoid. That way, that way the animation can be detected as humanoid instead of being, non-humanoid. So make sure the FBX is set to humanoid and stuff. And other than that, and again, this is bone related, so keep in mind if you're going to be doing some blend shape animations, I don't think this, the way that this conversion for Warudo, it's not going to detect the blend shapes. You can contact Tiger regarding blend shape animation related stuff, but we're focused on bone animation with this one. So once you have the FBX file set to humanoid and stuff and everything is all good, what you're going to then do is you're going to take this animation and you're going to duplicate it. So you can actually do Control D to duplicate it, and as you can see, you should be able to see this, by the way, this little weird guy when you duplicate that file. This allows you to this allows to help you determine that if the, after you duplicate it, if it works perfectly fine, because otherwise if you don't really see a proper preview or things look weird, this is definitely really important to ensure like your animation does look good. So make sure, double check this preview, make sure this weird scary looking guy is moving around and stuff. You can even set it, of course, to loop. So if you want this animation to be loopable, you can set to loop time if you want. Otherwise, if you don't want it to loop, you can set to not be loop, but I'll set this to be loop instead. But once you have that, we're going to right click and rename this to be animation. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into Warudo, mod settings, make sure to set up your settings however, you want. And then make sure that your mod export directory is going to your streaming assets in the character animations folder. Now, I will mention, by the way, this is the file path for the Warudo streaming assets here. This is where all of your stuff are at, as you can see. Now, if you by any chance, you can pause the video if you want to see where this file location is, but a quick way to quickly access this is you can go into the editor, you can go to the paw here, click on the open data folder, and you can be able to click on the top part here and copy and paste it, after you click on character animations, that is. Make sure to click on this, copy and paste it over here. But I also heavily recommend, if you're going to be doing a lot of conversion, make sure to go to the Warudo data folder here, right click on streaming assets and pin to quick access. That way you can have a much quicker way of accessing that folder, especially if you're going to do conversions very often. So once you have that, you set up your mod export directory and your mod asset directory, which that should already be automatically set up when you did a new mod. All you have to do simply is just click on Warudo, build that mod, and then give it some time for it to convert. Once you have that, now you're going to go and click on your character. Then you're going to go into animation. Then you're going to, there you go, animation, and then you're going to click on the preview gallery. Find the animation that you made by typing its name out, click on it, and you should be able to see that your character should be moving around as so. And if you follow these instructions, you should be able to have it whether your animation is loopable or not, but this is how you will set up your animations. I hope that this tutorial helps you out on converting humanoid animations for your Warudo setup, and hopefully you'll have some expressiveness with your setup. And let me know if you need any help regarding the setup, but otherwise though, I heavily recommend joining the Warudo Discord server. I'll be there along with others helping people out on learning Warudo to the fullest, so please check out that server whenever you can. But otherwise though, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!